In this tutorial, we will see how to pick image from gallery or camera and then show the picked image on the front end right here. So to pick image, we have to install a package. If I search for image picker, you will find this package right here. We will use this one. So let us quickly install it. Okay. We will do the logical code inside the products controller right here, since this is related to product. So I will make a comment right here, which is for picking image. And I will write a function to pick the image. So I will name it pick image like this. And to pick the image, first of all, we have to create an instance of the image picker package that we have just installed. So let us go ahead and do that. Now we can use this variable right here to pick our image. So I will say picker dot pick image, and then I have to give it a source, whether I want to pick image from camera or gallery. So I can say image source dot camera. In that case, this will open the camera. For now, I want to pick image from gallery, so I will select gallery from here. Now, it will take some time for the user to pick the image from gallery, right? So we will use async and await. And when the image is picked, we want to put it in a variable, that picked image. So the file that the user will pick, the data type for that file will be X file. It is called X file. So I will name this variable picked image. And once this is picked by the user, I will assign it to this variable right here. Okay, it is showing an error that the value of type X file nullable cannot be assigned to this variable. And that is because the user may go to the gallery, but he may not pick anything. He simply can cancel it, right? He can come out of the gallery without picking any image. So we have to say our variable is nullable. And when it is done, we want to return this variable like this. So once we get the image or we don't get the image, in either case, we want to return this variable. Now, let us see how we can call this function from our front end. So when the user is pressing this pick image button, this button right here, we want to hit the products controller dot pick image. And if I restart the project, I have to restart the project because I have added this package which requires me to restart it. So I will stop it first of all and then run the project again. Make sure you restart your project like this, otherwise you may get an error. So anyway, when user will click this button, this function will run, and in that function, user will pick image, the gallery will open. So if the user picks an image, or even if he doesn't pick an image, this variable will get the value, and then when we are returning that, we can receive that value from here, from where we are calling the function. Let us see this in action. If I click on this pick image button, the gallery opens. This is the gallery. I can go to images, I can go to downloads. So right now I don't have any image right here, that's why it doesn't show. We will add image, but first of all, let us do some work right here. So when the user picks the image, we are getting that image we will get the image here, because remember we are returning it. So let us put that in a variable. I will take the variable right here, and the file we receive from the gallery or camera is called X file. Like I said before, it will be nullable. I will name it picked image like this, and right here I will assign the picked image in this variable that we have just created. And then to refresh the UI, I will do set state like this. Now, how can I show the image? Even if I pick any image right now, it won't show in the front end because I didn't code for that yet. So let me go ahead and wait. If I go to this gallery right now, it throws an error that Fuser Dynamic is not a subtype of X file, and that is because I have to use async and await. Remember our user may take some time to pick the image from gallery. Also, let us make this function future. Okay, now the error should be gone. If I click on the pick image button, it opens the gallery. Now let us see how we can add image to our emulator if we don't have any image right here. So let me first of all download an image. I will go to unsplash.com and simply download an image. Okay, the image is downloaded. Let me go to downloads, and now I can drag and drop this right here in our gallery, and it will be added to the emulator. But you don't see it right now. That's because I have to reopen the gallery. Okay, it doesn't show still. Maybe it will be inside the images. No, maybe downloads. Yes, we do have the image inside the downloads, and that will work. Okay, now I can select the image, but it doesn't show in the front end. Now let us code for that. To show the picked image, we have to use image.file, and right here I have to say file, and then I have to give it a path, and we put the picked image inside this variable. So we can say picked image, the variable name is picked image. So picked image dot path like this. Let us make it nullable. No. Okay. I will fix the error, but before that, let me give it a height and width. So maybe 30, and width also 30, and feet should be box feet dot cover. Now it says the property path cannot be unconditionally accessed. Even if I use nullable right here, the error doesn't go. Okay, so to fix this, we have to say our picked image variable right here, it can be nullable, because like I said, user may not pick anything and come out of the gallery. So we have to write a condition like this: if picked image is not equal to null, in that case you show this, meaning if the user picked something from the gallery, in that case you only show this right here. Now I can make it not nullable right here with this sign, because we have written a condition that only it will show when user picked something. Okay, let me refresh and we can see the picked image right here. Let me pick a different image. So for example, if I pick this one, this image shows. Let me make it bigger so you can see it better. Now let me pick this image again, something different, and we see the picked image right here.